Yo, let me show you how you can quickly add auto captions to your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's go. Simply select the clip in your timeline, go to Window and select Text. There you can find the transcribe option. Just click on it and the software will automatically transcribe your text from the voiceover. Make the changes as per your need. Once you're ready with the transcription, simply click on Create Captions and follow these settings. You can simply play with the settings as per your need and alter them as per your project. In the end, click on Create Captions and boom, the software has created the captions for you automatically. The best part is you can select all the text and go to the properties section. Here you can find a lot of settings to play with your fonts. For example, you can change the font. You can also change the font size as per your need. And you can also change the placement of the font. You can place it at the bottom, or you can place it at the center, or simply at the top of the video. You can also add a stroke to your text, and you can increase or decrease the size as per your need. Adding shadows to your text can help them stand out in different backgrounds. So you can play with the angle, play with the density, play with the opacity. And once you're satisfied, simply go and export your project. You can also export the captions separately. And that's how you can add auto captions to your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot. And I'm going to see you guys in another one. Till that time, take care and peace out.